Hey guys, it's Natalia and welcome back to my channel. For today's DIY in quarantine, we are making a custom Nike tie-dye t-shirt. So the first thing that you want to do is make sure that your t-shirt is nice and damp all over. Also make sure you are using a cotton t-shirt. So I am just starting my swirl a little off-centered and under the logo. So I just continue to twist, continue to twist until you can wrap everything up nice and tight. And then I took 4 rubber bands since the shirt was a little bit larger, and you just want to make sure that all the ends are tucked into the rubber bands as well, like all of the sleeves and the bottom of the shirt. You want everything nice and pressed together like a little cinnamon roll. Yeah, I got this idea because tie-dye things are in trend right now, but you know, they like to add like $30 extra, and we don't have time for that. So I'm paying minimum price for the white shirt and I will tie-dye it myself. Also, I don't think Nike actually has any tie-dye shirts on their website. So you know me, I like to be a little bit different. So now that everything is finally wrapped, I am taking my black dye and I actually diluted the dye powder a little bit so it turned out more of a gray, but that's okay, we're making it work. So I just go along each of the triangles and squirt the dye in. Also squirt a little dye in the center. Then flip it over and repeat the same process, filling in each of the 8 triangles separately. I find that this technique works the best and I like how the swirl looks at the end, so this is how I do it. Then the outside had a lot of white still showing, so I just filled that in a little bit. And the directions on this specific dye says let it soak into the clothing for 6 hours, but I ended up letting it soak in for about 7 because it was dinner time and then I had to put Kaden to bed. So yeah, that was the color payoff that I got. So be careful when you're taking the rubber bands off because the dye is still active and it can dye your clothes. So be careful, but you just want to run this under cold water and just keep wringing it out until no more dye is coming off of the shirt. But yeah, after this I just threw it into the washer by itself with a tiny dot of soap and then let it air dry. I love how this turned out. I love how it's a unique shirt to me. A couple people have actually reached out and told me that I should start selling customizable tie-dye like name brand t-shirts, but I don't think right now in the middle of a pandemic is the best time to start a business. But this was a very affordable way to do it yourself. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.